This is Larry Bonaroto from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. Talent opens doors. Discipline determines how far you go beyond it. I know a 16-year-old young man with extraordinary athletic ability. He can throw a football 50 yards with accuracy. He can outrun almost anyone his age. He excels at basketball, and his knowledge of football, baseball, and basketball is remarkable. Yet, he competes in only one sport. Why? Because talent alone is never enough. Talent is a God-given gift. It opens doors to opportunities, but discipline determines whether those opportunities become lasting success. Unfortunately, many talented people begin relying on their own natural ability instead of developing it. They wait for motivation instead of building discipline. They become comfortable instead of committed. And over time, they plateau, while disciplined performers pass them by. History is filled with people who possess average talent, but extraordinary discipline. They practiced when others rested. They learned from failure instead of fearing it. They embraced coaching, adapted to change, and committed themselves to continuous improvement. Talent may earn applause, but discipline earns trust. Talent may create opportunity, but discipline creates results. The lesson is just as important for coaches, business owners, and hiring managers. One of the biggest mistakes leaders make is recruiting talent without evaluating discipline. So when interviewing prospective team members, I like asking questions such as this. Tell me about your best performance, what made it successful, and who else contributed. Tell me about your biggest disappointment. What role did you play? What did you learn? And how did it change you? What are you doing today to become better than you were 6 months ago? Their answers reveal far more than talent. They reveal character, humility, coachability, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Talent may open the door. Discipline determines how far you go through it. So whether you are building a team or building your own future, never stop improving. And remember, information without transformation is wasted energy. This is Larry Bonaroto from LarryOnLearning.com, and that is your Morning Minute.